Hi and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a super quick and easy fall tutorial for beginners, today we're going to be making these pumpkins. They're super cute, they work up really quick, and you can make them in literally any color. Let's not waste any more time and let's just jump right into the tutorial. Okay, so to make these adorable pumpkins, you'll need two colors. The first color, you'll need about 50 grams of yarn. The second color, you're okay to use scrap yarn. You can use anywhere from a 4mm to 5mm crochet hook. Today I'm using 4.25. And lastly, you'll need scissors, and then we're all good to go. So to begin, we're going to make a slip knot. And then after you make your slip knot, you're going to chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. After you chain 4, you're going to insert your hook into the first chain from the loop right here and make a slip stitch. So just insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through 2. Now you've made a circle. So now we'll insert all of our next stitches into the circle we just made. So to begin, we're going to chain up 3. The chain 3 does not count as a stitch, so 1, 2, 3. And we're going to insert 16 double crochet into the hole, okay? So double crochet is yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and you're going to repeat that for a total of 16, and I'll meet you at the end of the row. So here I have my 16 double crochet, and make sure you're weaving in your end as you're going. You can pull on it to tighten the little hole in the circle, and from here we're going to slip stitch at the top of the first double crochet to close the row. So just insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through 2, and then you'll have your circle, and round 1 is completed. Go ahead and just cut this tail yarn now because it might be getting in the way. So for round 2, we are going to chain up 3, and again it does not count as a stitch. In the first stitch, we're going to go in with 2 double crochet. So the stitch right here, insert 1 double crochet, and in that same exact stitch again, our second double crochet, and in the next stitch, just 1 double crochet. So this one right here, 1 double crochet, and it will look like that. And then you're going to repeat this all the way around. So again, in this next stitch, we just did 1 double crochet. So here we're going to put 2 double crochet, and in the following stitch right beside it right here, 1 double crochet, and then in the next stitch 2 double crochet, and again in the next stitch 1 double crochet. So repeat that all the way around, and I'll meet you at the end of the round. Okay, so here we are at the end of the row. You should be ending on a single double crochet. So I just did 2 double crochet in this stitch, and I'm going to insert my last double crochet right here to end off the row. And again, just like we did last time, we're going to slip stitch at the top of the first double crochet to end off the row. Okay, and now we are on to round 3, so we're going to chain up 3 again, and we're going to insert 2 double crochet in each stitch. So we are just doubling the stitches, that's 1, and in the same stitch, that's 2, and again in the next stitch, that's 1, and then that's 2. And just repeat that all the way around, and I'll meet you at the end of the row. Okay, so here we are again at the end of the round, and we have 1 stitch left. So go ahead and insert your 2 double crochet right in there. And just as we always do, slip stitch to join at the top of the first double crochet. And now we'll move on to round 4. So for round 4, we're going to chain 1, and we're going to insert 21 double crochet. So go ahead in that first stitch with a double crochet, just as usual. I know it might be a little awkward to double crochet from a single crochet, but just go ahead and insert 1 double crochet in the first 21 stitches, and I'll meet you when we're at 21. Okay, after you complete your 21 double crochet, it should look like this. From here, in the next stitch, you'll do a slip stitch, and then you'll do that in the next 3 stitches. So 4 slip stitches in total. So this is 3, and this is 4. Next, we're going to do 21 double crochet again. So in the next stitch, just go in with your double crochet and do exactly what we just did, and I'll meet you at the end of 21 double crochet. So there are 3 stitches left. We're going to slip stitch in all of them. So these 2 double crochets, slip stitch, and then in the chain 1 at the beginning of the round, we're going to slip stitch in that as well. And that completes round 5, and you can see the pumpkin shape coming alive. Okay, so take your second color, and I like to go into the front loop of the slip stitch just because the slip stitch can be kind of tight, so it can be a little difficult to get into. So insert your hook, put your second color over your yarn and leave a little bit of a tail hanging, and then you want to go ahead and pull up a loop. From here you want to chain up 3. After you chain 3, you're going to insert 2 double crochets. We're working all into the same loop, okay? So that's 2 double crochets, and then you're going to chain up 3, and then you're going to insert a single crochet into the same stitch. So we just made 1 leaf here. Then we're going to chain up 4. After you chain up 4, you're going to skip the first chain and go into the second chain with a single crochet and single crochet all the way down. Okay. And then after you do your 3 single crochet, you're going to slip stitch again in the same stitch. And then we're going to make another leaf here. So same thing, you're going to chain up 3 and insert 2 double crochet. And then after your 2 double crochet, you're going to chain up 3 and insert a single crochet. And then you have something that looks like this. So now you're going to chain up 1 and cut your work, and we'll weave in the ends. So this is what it looks like in the front, and this is what it looks like in the back. Super cute, super easy project. You can make a bunch of them and then use them as a coaster. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.